Welding operators use highly technical welding processes that can create dangerous conditions in the workplace. Both oxyacetylene and electric arc welding can pose safety and health hazards for welders and workers nearby. Exposure to these hazards can result in discomfort, temporary or permanent physical injury, or even death. But welding can be safe if you protect yourself from the dangers. You owe it to yourself and your fellow workers to find out what the hazards are, evaluate their presence in your work environment, and learn how to control them.